Welcome to the Digital Maturity Day. Thank you for coming. This is the first event of the European project Digital Creativity for developing digital maturity future skills. The project aimed to develop an educational model to empower digital creative abilities, to strategically drive the application of future emerging technologies in any field. We would like to open this day with a video from few decades ago.
You have 3 messages. Your graduate research team in Guatemala, just checking in. Robert Jordan, a second semester junior, requesting a second extension on his term paper. And your mother reminding you about your father.
Surprise birthday party next Sunday.
Today you have a faculty lunch at 12 o'clock. You need to take Kathy to the airport by 2. You have a lecture at 4:15 on deforestation in the Amazon rainforest.
Right. Let me see the lecture notes from last semester. No, that's not enough. I need to review more recent literature. Pull up all the new articles I haven't read yet.
Journal articles only?
Fine.
Your friend Jill Gilbert has published an article about deforestation in the Amazon and its effects on rainfall in the sub-Sahara. It also covers drought's effect on food production in Africa and increasing imports of food.
Contact Jill.
I'm sorry, she's not available right now. I left a message that you had called.
Okay. Let's see. There's an article about 5 years ago, Dr. Flemson or something. He really disagreed with the direction of Jill's research.
John Fleming of Uppsala University. He published in the Journal of Earth Science of July 20 of 2006.
Yes, that's it. He was challenging Jill's projection of the amount of carbon dioxide being released to the atmosphere through deforestation. I'd like to recheck his figures.
Here's the rate of deforestation he predicted.
And what happened? He was really off. Give me the university research network. Show only universities with geography nodes. Show Brazil. Copy the last 30 years at this location at 1-month intervals.
Excuse me, Jill Gilbert is calling back.
Great. Put her through.
Hi, Mike. What's up?
Jill, thanks for getting back to me. Well, I guess that new grant of yours hasn't dampened your literary abilities. Rumor has it that you've just put out the definitive article on deforestation.
Aha. Is this one of your typical last-minute panics for lecture material?
It would be great if you were available to make a few comments. Nothing formal. After my talk, you would come up on the big screen, discuss your article, and then answer some questions from the class.
You know, I have a simulation that shows the spread of the Sahara over the last 20 years. Here, let me show you.
Nice. Very nice. I've got some maps of the Amazon area during the same time. Let's put these together. Interesting. I can definitely use this. Thanks for your time, Jill. I really appreciate it.
No problem. But next time I'm in Berkeley, you're buying the dinner.
Dinner, right.
See ya, 4:15.
Bye-bye.
While you were busy, your mother called again to remind you to pick up the birthday cake.
Fine. Print this article before I go.
Now printing.
Okay, I'm going to lunch now. If Kathy calls, tell her I'll be there at 2 o'clock. Also, find out if I can set up a meeting tomorrow morning with, Tom Lee.
Enjoy your lunch. Hello? Professor Bradford is away at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
Michael, this is your mother. I know that you're there. I'm just calling to remind you to call your sister and pick up.
Thank you so much. Alisa is very intelligent. So thank you for opening this Digital Maturity Day. We decided to share this video in order to bring you, to immerse you in our concept of digital maturity or digital transformation. This was, oh, it's quite like me. I chose this. Laura said me, take off your glasses, so it's quite similar to you. I don't know why, but okay. You see that we are using digital artificial intelligence, so we bring you in our concept of digital maturity. We decided to share this amazing video to bring you, and this is 1987, when our technological device to communicate was this. For the younger people or younger generation, is quite a vintage object. For not so young like me, is the only way. It was the only way to talk with friends, with people. So it's very. The professor is using technologies that didn't really exist in that time. It's based on capabilities that we have today. So, like touch screen, voice recognition, video conference, interactive maps, and even artificial intelligence. The video gave an idea of things will be like in the future. So, does the video show technical or creative skills? What do you think about this? What? Here apples give an idea of future, a vision of the future using emerging technology with a human-centered approach, which is knowing people needs, knowing the potential of technologies, and applying a future-oriented mindset. So, from our point of view, these are creative abilities to face the ongoing digital transformation, useful to face the ongoing digital transformation. We call them, in our project, digital creative abilities, DCAs, that include, first, disciplinary knowledge and design process. Second, skills, such as cognitive, emotional, and social skills. And then attitudes and values that guide how to apply knowledge and skills for used at personal, local, and social scales, social level. So, companies need talents with DCAs to drive the ongoing, the ever-changing digital scenario. We must, as a researcher, as educator, we must update our educational model to train the require skills to students in order to face this changing phase, and they have to address this digital changing and the future challenges, also both in social and environmental. So, for this reason, we are working on them, on DCAs, in our project DC for DM, and we are here today to speak of them with our experts. And okay, in each roundtable, we will explore topics about the skills and mindset useful to understand the technological potential and how to apply them to design solutions. And then we will discuss also about a human-centered approach, ethical and in an ethical and sustainable way. And last, we will also reflect on what kind of skills are needed to teach to digital maturity enablers in order to be ready for digital transformation. Sorry. It's time to give the space to our guest, moderated by Nicoletta Boldrini, that is journalist and not expert on digital technology. No. She don't want that I say she's expert. No. Lower, no, just no. But it's so nice. I want to thank them all, and I think it will be a great day, rich of stimulating ideas, and so I let. Yeah, I think. And just I wanted to say thank you also to Daniela for the organization and Carmen, the project manager of this project. Thank you so much.